Hi, I'm Vera Jimenez. You're watching Green Tea.
All right, we're here at Heal the Bay, Bring Back the Beach, baby. I'm Green Tea, and you're watching us with Finola Hughes coming down the blue carpet. You look gorgeous this evening.
I love your name, Green Tea. That's cool.
Oh, thank you so much. It's our new thing, Green Tea, because I'm Tamara, and we're green. We're all about the environment, and we wanted to ask you.
Yes.
I'm sure that you care a lot about the environment. What does it mean to you to be green?
Okay. I live on a almost sustainable 2-acre farm up in Santa Barbara, and we have 4 rotating vegetable plots and 52 fruit trees, and we hope to be off the grid in like 5 years.
Wow, be off the grid, huh?
That's what we like. But it took us so long to build the house, so we'll see.
So how did this idea get started? I mean, how did you decide, hey, I want to live green? I mean, totally green.
Well, it was my husband and I have always sort of been interested in growing our own food and educating our children that way. They all go to the Waldorf school, which is very ecologically friendly, and it just I don't know. I guess it just sort of made sense. The food's better, and I know what goes into the jelly that I make, and I know where the food comes from.
Awesome. So you're here tonight at Heal the Bay. Tell us why you're a big supporter of Heal the Bay.
My husband is a surfer,
right.
so it's very important to him.
Do you get out there and surf with him too sometimes?
No, it scares me.
Yeah,
Totally. Yeah. I just don't want ever to see anything that's bigger than me in the water.
Yeah.
That isn't wearing board shorts. You know what I mean?
But he's brave. He gets out there and he rides the waves.
He totally does. He's a good surfer.
Well, that's awesome. It sounds like you have a wonderful family. Is there anything else you want to share with us about the environment or being green or Heal the Bay?
Yeah, that it's a smart thing to do.
It is.
Heal the bay. Be smart.
Right. And we found out tonight that not only can we heal the bay, but the bay can heal us.
Well, yes, and all the beautiful wild animals that live out there.
Yes. And you're a beautiful wild animal yourself tonight.
Well, thank you.
You're watching Green Tea. That's me, Tamara Henry.